Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to explore Bell Rock, a stunning natural landmark located in heart of Hawke's Bay, New Zealand. Just a short drive from Napier, this hidden gem offers breathtaking views and an adventure you won't want to miss. Bell Rock is approximately 35 kilometers from Napier, making it an easy day trip. The drive takes around 30 to 40 minutes, with scenic views of the coastline and lush countryside along the way. When it comes to transport, you have several options. If you are driving, you can easily reach the trailhead by car. Alternatively, local tours often include Bell Rock in their itineraries, providing a hassle-free experience. Parking is available at the trailhead, but it's essential to arrive early, especially during weekends and holidays, as the area can get easily busy. The lot can fill up quickly, so plan accordingly. The best time to visit Bell Rock is during the spring and autumn months. The weather is typically mild and the landscapes are vibrant and alive. Summer can be quite warm, while winter might bring rain, so choose your time wisely. Once you're ready to hit the trail, accept trekking time about 1 to 2 hours each way, depending on your pace. The 4-kilometer hike is moderately challenging, making it suitable for most fitness level. As you make your way to Bell Rock, you will be treated to stunning vistas and diverse flora. When you reach the rock itself, prepare to be awed by the panoramic views, surrounding landscape and coastline. Whether you are an avid hiker or just looking for a peaceful escape, Bell Rock is an unforgettable destination that showcases the natural beauty of Hawke's Bay. So grab your hiking boots, pack some snacks, and head to Bell Rock for adventure that will leave you with lasting memories. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share your own Bell Rock experience in the comments below. Thank you for watching and happy hiking.